Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see you here because today we're making something super delicious. A soft, creamy steamed fish that's perfect for an evening dinner. If you're enjoying the content, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps keep me motivated to keep more videos like this for you. Thanks so much. Alright, let's go over the ingredients you need for today. You need one fish weighing about 500 grams to 1 kilogram. I'm using pink tilapia. Be sure to wash it thoroughly with a salt and water mixture to remove the slimy residue and odor. Tilapia is one of the most widely consumed fish in the world. It's mild, cooks quickly, and absorbs flavors beautifully. You need a bunch of green onion, about 5 stalks, or more if you like. You need 35 gram cilantro. You need 1 ginger root weighing about 100 gram, 1 large shallot about 20 to 30 grams, 1 bell pepper, we'll use about half. And for our sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and sesame oil. You also need about 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Every brand tastes a bit different, so be sure to taste and adjust your sauce to your liking. Sesame oil is known as the finishing oil in Asian cuisine. It's rarely used for frying, but instead added at the end for a nutty aroma. Let's start prepping. Slice the shallot into thin strips. We'll saute these to extract flavor for our sauce. It adds a lovely aroma and boosts appetite. Cut the ginger into thin slices. Half will be under the fish and the rest into fine strands to garnish later. Ginger is a natural tenderizer and helps eliminate fish odors while giving your dish a refreshing zing. Chop the green onion into 3-inch pieces and then slice into thin strands for the fancy finishing touch. Separate the cilantro leaves from the stems. Leaves will be our garnish, stems go into the sauce base. Slice the bell pepper into thin strips. It adds crunch and color. Red bell peppers have nearly 3 times more vitamin C than oranges. Now, let's prepare our fish. Make sure to clean out all the blood in the stomach cavity and pat it completely dry. This helps eliminate any fishy smell after steaming. Lay the ginger slices on the steaming plate and then place the fish on top. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of cooking wine over the fish and let it sit for 15 minutes so it can soak up all the goodness. Chinese cooking wine is often called the secret ingredient. In many Chinese dishes, it adds depth and complexity, similar to how wine is used in Western sauces. In a small pot, over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once hot, saute the shallot and cilantro stems until golden and fragrant. Then add 1/4 cup water and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and set it aside. Now let's build our sauce. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of onion-cilantro broth we just made, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix everything well and taste test it. Adjust the flavor with more oyster sauce or chicken powder as needed. Dark soy sauce is aged longer and has a slightly sweet note. It's used more for color and richness than saltiness. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Let's steam the fish. Bring your steamer water to a boil on medium-high heat. Steam the fish for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on the water level. You don't want it to run dry. add more water as needed. Steaming is one of the healthiest cooking methods. It retains most of the nutrients, especially omega-3 fatty acids in fish. After 15 minutes, check doneness by poking a fork or chopstick into the thickness part. If it's white and there's no trace of blood, the fish is ready. Remove the plate from the steamer. Drain the juices and discard the ginger slices. Place the plate back into the steamer. Pour a portion of the sauce over the fish. Add ginger and green onion strands. Drizzle some more sauce and steam for another 3 to 5 minutes with the lid open. Don't use all the sauce, we'll need a bit more for the final plating. Now top with bell pepper strips, cilantro leaves, in many Asian cultures, a whole steamed fish is a symbol of prosperity and good luck, often served during festivals and New Year celebrations. And there you have it, a tender, juicy, and aromatic steamed fish. Easy to make and absolutely packed with flavor. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Got questions or your own twist on this recipe? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep that good appetite and you won't be disappointed. Bye for now.